Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset forgotten password on Epic Kids Book and Reading. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To reset your forgotten password on the Epic Kids Book and Reading app, so what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in www.getepic.com and then tap on go. And now once it loads here, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the top, and then you'll find the option that says login, and then tap on it. Now on tapping it here, what you need to do is select your account as parents or as educators, and then once you are there, under the login with Apple, you'll find the forget your password option. Simply tap on that. And now once you tap on that, here what you need to do is enter in your email ID that is connected to the Epic, and once you do that, here you'll find the send password reset email button. Tap on that. Now once you tap on that, all you gotta do is go back and then open up your mail, and then find the Get Epic Reset mail, and then all you gotta do is open up the mail, and let me just open this for example, and then you'll find the reset link right here. Simply tap on the link and you'll be redirected once again to your browser. All you gotta do is enter in your new password and then confirm it once again by entering it once again, and once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and log into your account. So that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.